Hey everyone, Mark Howells with Dakota Ridge Marketing. Just wanted to do a quick video about consistency. As I'm sure you know, consistency is a key to having a successful business, whether that's in sales, operations, marketing, of course. Consistency is so key, and you keep doing whatever you're doing, and you learn from it, and you either learn that maybe a shift is needed, or you learn that what you're doing is successful, and you want to keep moving forward with that. So definitely, as I said, in marketing, consistency is so key, especially when it comes to like content creation. So first main thing is have that cadence. That cadence setup of, is it one blog post a month? Is it two videos a month? Is it putting together a white paper? Whatever it may be, you have that set up. Social media, 3 to 4 posts a week. You have that all laid out, and that's my consistent cadence. You can add that then into your task management software. So whether you're using Monday.com or Trello or even a spreadsheet, whatever it may be, to manage your tasks overall, add that in. Make it as important as your daily duties. You can even go as far as adding it into your goals if you want to, because tactical goals, even if it's revenue based and all that, being consistent in your marketing leads into all that. So if you want to get really honed in on that consistency, not only do you have that cadence and you have it in your task management software, and you actually get those reminders on those tasks, but you have it as a goal set. And you can see at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, at the end of the year, was I actually consistent with my marketing, and therefore what were the outcomes of that? Hope that was helpful. Thanks so much, and look forward to the next one.